What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we're looking at a brand new truck from Spinmaster from Mix 11. It's none other than the Batman truck. Alright, so here it is, guys. A brand new concept, a brand new design straight from Spinmaster. This is the second time in this mix that we were seeing a truck that is brand new casting. Well, third time if you want to get technical, but brand new casting nonetheless, and it's none other than Batman. So the other new truck in this mix was Scavenger, and that was a whole new complete series with Reckless trucks, and the other new casting was obviously the ride truck with BKT. Now this truck, Batman, this thing looks really cool. Yeah, so growing up I was a huge fan of Batman, so seeing something like this is really awesome. And also this truck will be in the Heroes and Villains sets, which is unique, very cool. I can't wait to see what these things are going to look like and everything. So I think we have a Joker coming out at some point. I think Wonder Woman is in that with the next mix, and who's the other one? Superman, which we actually did see Superman at the Toy Fair release show, or whatever you want to call it. But this one really catches my eye because this thing looks really cool. And a lot of you guys do know there was a Batman truck in Monster Jam. So back then, I don't know why they didn't use that casting from the truck. I don't know if there was like a contract issue or whatever the case may have been with that, but I am really happy with what we got. This casting looks really cool. This one might be one of your favorites from this mix because this is really sick looking, and I can't wait to open it. So with that being said, let's open this thing up and take a closer look at the Batman truck. Alright, new concept, new design, black and yellow, really cool. So Batman, this thing, I have no idea if we're going to see this casting again. I don't know what they can use this for, but this thing is pretty unique nonetheless. So one thing right off the bat, I really like what they did was they used the black and yellow, which obviously if you ever watch Batman or whatever, you know the bat single or just the colors in general, black and yellow, which is really cool. I also like the wristband here is also a yellow color, and just like every other wristband in this mix so far, it's just a genetic one. It does not say Batman on it or anything. Still, the only wristband that has the truck's name is Gravedigger, which is typical, but yeah, this one's pretty cool. I like the whole color scheme they got going on here. Yeah. So Batman, this truck actually is very light, and I did not expect this thing to be that light. This truck does have a black roll cage, a black chassis, yellow rims, and then just obviously black everywhere. The only other colors on this truck is in the back, and I really like what they did here because this is kind of like a hard plastic. It's not really die cast, which is weird. And they basically took like the jet engine from like the Batmobile and threw it on here, and it just looks cool. So right here, obviously we got some hard plastic inserts, which is pretty cool, and it looks like they do. No, they don't. I mean, I can break it, but I don't want to. Right here, and then you got some more silver plastic inserts that's a little harder on the sides, and all together right here, I guess that's the front of like the Batmobile. Now, I grew up in the 90s. You know, this does not look like the Batmobile to me, or even the one with the movie with Heath Ledger, The Dark Knight. But nonetheless, it's a cool design. I really like this. I think it's pretty cool that we're now seeing superheroes involved. Obviously, as you guys know, Hot Wheels, they have their contract with WWE, and then they throw in like weird stuff like Yoshi and Super Mario and stuff like that. But now out of nowhere, I think Spinmaster is starting to branch out. Last year, we didn't really see any, I guess, hero trucks besides Whiplash, Wonder Woman. You know, I mean, it's cool. I like it. I'm very intrigued to see what else they can do with these designs or these toolings and stuff. I would like to see something else down the line. I don't know what, but really cool. I like the whole color scheme. This thing looks really mean. I'm actually really excited because when they said Batman and Superman and all that, I really wondered if they were just gonna make, you know, obviously the first thing that comes to mind is the trucks back in like 2008, 2009, stuff like that. If they were gonna make that casting and just, you know, that's it. But it's really intriguing that Spinmaster, with their contract with Monster Jam and everything, they decided to make a brand new truck, if you will. And I don't know if that's because of the licensing or whatever, but really cool. So as you see here in the link, the truck does have a yellow bat sign or bat logo, and then it does have the Monster Jam logo right here, but it's like, you can tell it's like, you can't really see it like that, but it's kind of glistening. It's like a silver color, which is cool. And that's actual die cast on the sides there. And then there's just normal detailing with the vents on the truck as well. Really cool. I like this. I really do like this. I think it's really cool. It's a nice matted black color. Everything matches on it. The windshield is kind of hard to see, but that's pretty cool. I mean, all together, it's a really nice truck. And then of course you got the DC Comics logo and trademark and all that on that right there. Yeah, just a cool truck. I haven't really seen this thing, obviously, but yeah. I mean, I don't know, it's just something you look at and it's like, that's cool. You can't really argue with it. Mix 11 has been really, I think, hands down the best mix we've seen so far. And there's not that many bad trucks in it. It's going to be really hard to make the best truck out of this whole mix because they are so well put together. And like I said in another video, I think this mix really opens the door for 2020 because now you see what Spinmaster can do. You see where they can get these weird ideas like reckless trucks and elemental trucks and stuff like that, and they make it work. So hopefully we'll see more with the superheroes in the future. This is the first year for them, so hopefully we'll see something cool. Maybe we'll get a surprise down the line this year, who knows. But yeah, with that being said, guys, join me tomorrow for another video. Drop a like, subscribe, and we got a ton more content coming out soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.